Now I will complete the table with the results values. To do this, I must identify the row input cell or the column input cell. The row input cell is used when the input values have been placed in the first row of the data table, and the column input cell is used when the input values are placed in the data table's first column. In the income worksheet, the input values are in the first column. So I will use the column input cell option. If I had oriented the table so that the input values were in the first row, I would use the row input cell option. First select the cell references range, then click in Data tab, Forecast group, click What If Analysis arrow button, click Data Table. The Data Table dialog box opens. Press Tab key to move the insertion point to the column input cell box. In column input cell box, click this cell reference, click OK. Excel completes the data table by entering the revenue, expenses, and net income for each unit sold value specified in column F. These values are called result values, and these values are called input values. The data table shows the result of several what-if analyses simultaneously. For example, if sales were 18,000 units, the company's revenue would be $5,220,000. Total expenses would be $4,220,000 and net income would be $1 million. The break-even point is between these two values. If company sold 6,000 to 9,000 units,